Welcome to the cooler report. I'm a go ahead to introduce our news products on my right hand. There's a portable compartment sinks, 3 compartments. Let me give you the overall sizes first. The overall length of the unit is about like 89 and 3 inches. And the overall depth of the unit is about like 24 inches. And the overall height is about like 42.5 inches tall. As we can see, the units have a big 3 door at the front. They all come in with the locker and the keys for each of the door for your securities. And when you unplug the key, they have a covers on it to secure it. And for the units, they coming from the manufacturer. They offer the paper towel the dispensers and the soap dispensers. Entire units made in by the stainless steels. As we can see, they have a plastic cover on it, just in case for the protection of the units during the transportations. When you're receiving the units, you can peel them off. And we can take a closer to see the inner side dimensions. The units coming with the 3 compartments, they're all the same shapes. So let's take the measurements. It's about like 18 inches in the width, 18 inches in the depth, and 12 inches high. This one pre-installed the water faucets, one for the hot waters, one for the cold waters. And also the manufacturers, they offer the filters. They come in with the units too. When we pull these handles, this door will be opened. We can see at the bottoms right here, they're having the 4 water tanks for you to use for the gray waters and the clean waters. They also come in with one of the heaters right here, and the water pumps right here. All the power connections, they have a small hole at the behind. You can plug the 110 standard connections, connect with your generators or any power outage. This will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you have more detailed questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.